All right, grade 8 math, lesson 5.1, question 4. It's a little different now because you're starting with your decimal and you've got to transform that into your fraction and your percent. Okay? Super easy to take any decimal and turn it into a percent. All you got to do is times that by 100, right? Percent is always out of 100. So we're just going to times by 100. So you can either pick up your calculator and do it like that, or you can move your decimal place over past the tenths into the hundredths, right there, right? So, I mean, right there you got your decimal place. You bring that down 2.4. Put that percent sign behind it. Okay, you always got to include the percent sign after you've converted to percent. You're done with that now. Circle that. Make sure your teacher knows that that's your answer by circling it. That was super easy. Okay. Now let's take this and we're actually going to do the other part of the question, which is turning it into a fraction. So if you remember me saying this before in an earlier video, if you want to convert this into a fraction, all you've got to do is just put a line, put your 1, okay, and then just count how many digits you've got there. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 zeros, put my 24 over it. Okay, so there's your fraction. Now you just got to make it in lowest terms. I can look at that and I can say, okay, well, 8. I can divide both top and bottom by 8. You may have to play around with it a little bit, keep reducing it. You may not be able to look at that and say, yeah, I can reduce it by 8, but if you can, that's great. So divide top and bottom by 8. Okay, you're going to get 3 over 125. It's not going to reduce anymore, so there you've got your fraction in lowest terms. Circle that up so your teacher knows that's the other answer. There you go, you got percent, you got your fraction, and that's what you need to do to complete those problems.